Day number 4. Margaret. We gotta go bye-bye, babe. Honey. We gotta go bye-bye, baby. Missouri.
Yep.
Arkansas.
Yep.
Oklahoma.
Uh-huh.
Texas.
Yep.
I was crying because the baby was a boy. And you guys might have liked the video because it was funny. And it's not funny.
Until then, like, subscribe so our friends don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys on the next one.
Day number 4. We're leaving. Ruben had a bloody nose. They played with glow sticks last night. Margie. Margaret. Marg. Baby. Margaret. We gotta go bye-bye, babe. Margaret. Honey. We gotta go bye-bye, baby. Did you see how she came out of the blanket? Come on, baby. Get up. Margie. Margaret.
Baby. Margie.
Baby, we have to get up. This is why we say we have a teenager already. Good luck to us.
Guys, we've been here 4 days. And we've had a great time. It's been a great experience. We're going to come back. And, yeah, so we're going to pack this baby up because we got a little bit of a drive home.
And we only have 2 hours to get out of here.
And we only have 2 hours to get out of here. And, I understand because it's a big place. So they got to make sure it's clean and ready for the next guest. So, till then, like, subscribe so our friends don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.
If you're in Missouri, try Fitz soda. I've tried the cream soda and now I've tried the root beer. You could close it back up and the next day it still has fizz. These things are crazy. It's been around since 1947. It's good. You can buy these in packs at Walmart. I guess it's a really good soda. I like it. It's good.
Yeah, say wake up, Papa. Say wake up, brother. Say, come on, we're getting ready to go. Rook, come on, Papa.
Where are we going, Margie?
We're going back.
Back where?
Aren't you happy?
Because I like my home.
You liked the room we rented?
Yes. And I didn't have the boys screaming, talking all night.
Yep. Day 4.
Heading home.
Day 4. We're wrapping it up here. We're heading home.
4 states we gotta go?
Yeah, we gotta jump 3-4 states.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a drive. We'll still make it in time for soccer practice, so that's all that matters. I will see you guys through Texas, through Arkansas, we're going through all these places. So stay tuned because we got a lot more.
Missouri.
Yep.
Arkansas.
Yep.
Oklahoma.
Uh-huh.
Texas.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna roll my windows up because so you guys can hear me a little more clearly. But anyway, Branson, Missouri, in October is freaking beautiful. It's like 65 degrees right now. It's 9 o'clock, and it's
Worst
beautiful.
it gets is like 80.
And then, like, the temperature's nice. We met a bunch of people here, and it was just like they didn't even like care that we were just exploring or anything. Like they were happy to see us. Like, we had a really great time, great experience. So if you guys are here in Branson, Missouri, go check out Billy Gales and get Gregorio. Go check him out.
Or, yeah.
Or you guys could go to
Little Hacienda.
Get some great Mexican food. I mean, this Mexican food is fire. I don't like mole with like chocolate or like any sweet. I like spicy, but their mole was phenomenal. And then you guys are gonna check out and see that we had some great what was that called, babe? Guacamole that Gregorio prepared for us right there on the table side, and he took care of us. So we want to give him a huge shout out and tell him thanks. And yeah, if you guys are here, come show him some love. Come check out Branson, Missouri. This place is a little hidden gem. We will be back, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Just like that, we're in Arkansas.
Hi guys, welcome to another video on Grayson's channel. I'm here with my mom and my dog. And so, have you subscribed to watch my mom's membership video? Subscribe right now, or else you'll not get bad luck. You'll get bad luck because you gotta buy some of Mama's merch. Buy her merch, or you have bad luck forever. And I'm wearing the merch right now. And Daddy is driving us back home because we were staying at a hotel. And Mommy is the passenger princess. So guys, see you on the next one. So, have you watched Mom's membership video? And I was crying because the baby was a boy. And you guys might have liked the video because it was funny. And it's not funny. Hi guys, welcome to another video. And we are in pretty mountains. Wait, now I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look at that pretty mountains. And right now, have you watched the video where we're going on a vacation? Watch that video right now. And we're coming back from the vacation, going back into the house, and the boys didn't want to leave. So, you got to subscribe to make Mom and Dad happy. And me. And all my brothers. So, subscribe right now. And buy some of Mom's merch. So, see you on the next one.
Just like that, we made it to Oklahoma. And if you guys are still here, thanks for watching. Thanks for the subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that. It helps us out, and it helps the algorithm out as well. So we will see you guys in Texas, right? Texas. We will see you at Texas when we get home. We'll check in with you then. We got about 4.5 more hours. So see you guys in about 4.5 hours. Check that out. We finally made it to Texas.
These
you know what
back
that
roads.
means? We're almost home.
Oh.
We've been on these back roads forever. To cross over from Branson to where we are, it's just a weird route, I guess, or we could take a longer one. But who wants to take a longer one? So we cut it in half, I guess. But it feels like forever and ever going through the mountains, seeing no food places. And who wants to eat gas station food? We're on vacation still, right? Guys, we'll see you in like, we got, I don't know, 2 more hours. Wish me luck. All right, guys, you seen it. We just did a nice vacation. It was nice to get out of Texas, but look where we are, back home. So until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys on the next one.